Hello guys, in this session I'll be going to talk about stream API. Okay, so basically this is the one of the major feature of JDK 1.8. This is the major feature of Java 1.8. So let's talk about this feature, how to use this feature, okay, in our programming, how to utilize, what are the uses and what are the advantages we are going to get by using this stream API. So now guys, before going to know about the stream API, so let's understand the collection here. So what is collection? So what is collection? So basically collection is a group of objects. What is collection? Collection is a group of objects. Then what does mean by group of objects? Okay, what does mean by group of objects? Okay, suppose I have, as you know about a list, let me create the list here. List. So I'll be going to add the integer here, like suppose here like number list something. I'll name for this list. So this is the array list I declared here, and now I'll be going to store the object inside that. Okay, 10, 20, 12, 13, 14, 15, then I'll be going to store the 17. So these are the group of object I stored. So what is use of collection and what is the meaning of the collection? Collection is nothing but a group of objects. So here I have created one list and I store the group of object. That means 10 is object, 12 is object. So what type of object? We store the integer type of object. How we know that we store the integer type of object? By using this generic. See, we can know about it. What kind of data we stored inside the list? So we store the integer type of list or integer type of object inside this list. We collect this all object into a group. So that group is nothing but your collection. Now, so let's talk about the stream API. Then what is the relation between this collection and stream? So to perform, so stream API, okay, stream API is used to stream API used to perform, okay, perform bulk operation operation on group of objects. Okay, on where group of objects, if you want to perform some bulk operation, you should go with the stream API. So what is the main use of the stream API? The stream API is used to perform bulk operation on a object, or if we can say, if you want to process the object from the collection. Okay, if you want to process the object from the collection nothing but a group of object, in that case you should go for the bulk of you should go for the stream to process the collection. Okay, the collection, in that case you should go with the stream API. Now let's talk about like how we can and what kind of operation we can perform on that group of objects. So if you want to filter the data, okay, you can use filter. If you want to update the data from this group, or in this group you have to, if you want to update, you can update by using the map function. If you want to sort the data, by using the sorted function. Okay, so these are the operator of the stream API. So we can use this operator to filter, map, sort. Then we can use a collect. So this is used to collect the data. Okay, then we can iterate those objects by using the for each loop. Okay, so these are the operator. So there are other as well. So to find out the minimum, so you can use mean. To find out the maximum, so you can use the maximum operator. Then uh, then there are other as well. So yeah, so if you want to get the distinct number, so you can get the distinct. Okay, distinct. Then if you want to get some like what I'm saying, yeah, so these are the operators. I'll cover other operators as well as a part of this session, so don't worry. So now these are the basic operation or operator we can use, or we are going to utilize by using the stream API. Okay, so what is use of filter? Filter is used to filter the data from this group of object. Map is used to map the data or update the data by using map operator. Sort used to sort the data. Collect is to collect the data. Filter data, mapped data we can collect by using the collect method. Then to iterate the data by using the for each loop. Then to get the mean max from the group of object you can do maximum. Then if you want to get the distinct data from the group of objects you can do. Suppose if you want to skip the data, okay, you can skip it by using the skip method. So these are the all operators we can use by using the stream API. Now see, so these are the things. Now see one practical example before stream API and after stream API. So let me write the code here. Before stream API, before stream API and after stream API. So let me write first before stream API how we are going to write or how to solve the problem. Okay, the problem is like I have this list, okay, and from this list I want to create one list with odd numbers. I want to sort all numbers, whatever numbers I have, and I want to check whether, or I want to separate all odd numbers from this group. Okay, so this is number list. Inside this list I have stored this five record, and from this five record I want to create one more list. That list contains only odd numbers. Now like filter odd number. Okay, so this is our requirement. Now let's start it. Now to store the odd numbers from this list, so I'll needed one array or list. You can declare list here which is type of integer odd list, which contains only odd numbers. Okay, so this is the list I have created to store the odd list. Now after that iterate this number list. Okay, and okay, iterate this number list by using the for each. So get the number integer number colon from the number list. Okay, and add one condition to check whether this number is odd or even. Okay, so how to check whether this number is odd? By using the modulus is equal to, okay, not equal to 0. Okay, if number mod 2 not equal to 0, and if it is equal to 0 then it is even number, and if it is not equal to 0 then it is odd number. If it is not equal to 0 then store this number into the odd list. Okay, and all even numbers will get skipped here and only odd number will get stored inside this. Now print this list here, print this list here, odd list, and let me execute this program. In that list there are two numbers are odd, 15 and 17. Other are even number. So how to identify even number? A number which is divided by 2. That number is nothing but even number. So these two are not even number. These are the odd numbers. So we identify this 15 and 17 within a. Now see. So how many lines you have to write? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 6 line you wrote. Okay, how many right? Like 6 line you wrote to like achieve this scenario, or to fulfill this requirement to get the odd number list. Now let's talk about the after stream, how we can write. Okay, after stream API feature, same requirement. Okay, we can fulfill with the stream. We have already one number. Okay, we have already number list. So on this number list, just call the stream function. See, to get the stream object. Okay, so in collection, this method will be there. Okay, in collection, this method will be there. So on collection, you can call this stream method. So any collection object, it can be a list, it can be a array list. Sorry, it can be array list, it can be a linked list. Then anyone set will be there, list will be there. So on that object, you can call the stream method. Okay, inside the collection interface, this method is available. The stream method is available, and this returns the stream of or this returns the stream object. Now, if you can see, this returns as the stream of integer. Okay, so from this number list, this method creates the stream of list, and on this list, stream of list or stream of integer object, I'll be going to perform the operation. So which operation? I want to filter the data. What data I want to filter? I want to filter only odd number from this list, number list. So for this, I am going to use the filter operation. Okay, now if you can see, filter uses the predicate. Okay. Predicate is a functional interface. Okay, and you know that what is use of a functional interfaces. I in earlier sessions I discussed it, how to use the functional interfaces. So functional interfaces are used to call the lambda expression. Okay, then let's use this predicate as a functional interface. And you know that what is functional interface? A interface which contains the single abstract method, that interface nothing but a functional interface. So in a filter function, we have to call this functional interface method. Okay, then how we can call this functional interface method? By using the lambda expression. Now, so get the number here, we have one parameter to that lambda expression, and check the number, sorry, not num, so just to give the num mod not equal to 0. Okay, number sorry, number mod 2 not equal to 0. Okay, number mod 2 not equal to 0, that means it counts the, or it filters. Okay, so see, in first iteration, first number will come. Okay, and check whether that number is divided by 2, not equal to divided by 2 or not. Okay, so it is not a, if it is not a odd number, or it will, sorry, if it is even number, it will not collect. So this filter function will skip that number, and if it is the odd number, then it will be collected. So now I'll be going to use the collect function to collect the data, filter the data. So this collectors dot, see, collectors dot to list. So this whatever collected data will be there. So this collectors dot to list will be converted into the list. Okay, list of integers. See, I'll be going to show you the odd number list. Odd number list. So we'll get the odd number list. Okay. And let's execute this same. See, same result we got. Okay, same result we got. Let's print the first one as well, before one as well, like, and let's understand the difference. See, that odd number list with the before or traditional approach. So this is returning the same result, and by using the stream API, we are returning the same result. Okay, now what is the difference? See, difference is a line of code. fulfill the requirement before using the stream API or without using the stream API, then how much time or how much line we have to write or we require to write? See, near about 6 to 7 line we written here to fulfill the requirement. Now if you can see here, to fulfill the requirement by using the with stream API, only one line will get occupied. Okay, how much line it takes? Only one line. So that is the difference before stream API and after stream API. That powerful feature came as a part of stream API. So this big problem we solved within a one line. Okay, we solved that problem within a one line. So to solve this problem here before stream API or without stream API, it takes near about 6 to 7 line, and here it takes only one line. So that is the main agenda of stream API. Now we are going to see some operators here. As I mentioned here, some filter, map, these are the operators, then collect will be there. Now in this example we saw filter, how to create the stream object by using the stream object. So so by calling the stream method on a collection object. So if you know about the collection, so collection is an interface. Inside that interface, so the stream is a abstract method, and on that collection object if you call the stream method, you will get the stream of object, and on that stream of object you can perform your operators. So what are the operators we have? We have filter, map, sorted, then collect. See, now what we seen filter and collect. Now let's see the map. What is the use of map? So what is use of filter? Filter is used to filter the data from the given list of object. Collect is used what? So this collect is used to get the filtered data. Okay, collect is used to get the filtered data or collect the filtered data and convert it into the list by using the collectors.toList. So that is the meaning of this line. Now let's talk about the map. What is the use of map? Here we covered the filter and collect. So what is use of filter? Filter is used to filter the data group of object with some condition. Then collect is used to collect the filtered data. Okay, collect the filtered data and convert it into the list by using the collectors.toList. Now let's talk about the map operator. What is the use of map operator? So we have number list, correct? Now inside on that number list, to get the stream API object, stream object, you can use the stream method. You can call the stream method here. Then you will get the stream of integer, correct? Once you got the stream of integer, on that stream you can call the filter, map, collect. These are the operation. Okay, so now I am going to use the map. See, if you can check, map having the one parameter, that is function. See, again I am talking here, function is a pretty like that functional interface. So you know that what is functional interface? Functional interface contains this which interface? A interface which contains the single abstract method. That interface nothing but a functional interface. Now this functional interface having one method, that method returns something. And so what we are doing by using this map function, we are going to update the we are going to update this element, update this object. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll update this number with 1, like 11. I'll do 11, then 12, then 14, 15, then 15 will be there. I'll plus 1 like this, 1, then I'll plus 1 like this. Okay, so I'll do like this inside the map. So what is use of map? Map is used to update the element from the stream. Okay, update the element. Okay, so main use of a stream API, main use of map function is what? Is used to update the stream objects. Okay, now let me write the lambda for the functional interface into like L2 plus 1. Collect that object, map the object, and convert it into the toList by using the collectors.toList, and we will get the collected result. Let's print that first by using the system.out.println. Now just okay. See, as I mentioned here, we updated all numbers. Okay, all numbers. I updated one, like 11 to 12, then I updated 12 to 13, I updated 15 to 16, 15 to 16 and 17 to 18. So mainly what is use of map function? Map function is used to update the element. Okay, update the element or update the object. Now let's talk about the another function. So what is the another function? So this one, sorted. So what is use of sorted? So sort function is used to sort the group of object. Okay, now let's use this sort function. Let me number list, then get the stream object, then use the sorted function. See, sorted function, there are two functions, sorted, and this collect this result, convert it into the list by using the collectors dot okay, I think sorted is a stream of object. It is not an intermediate operator. We have to return or we have to collect that result here. Okay, now let's collect this result inside the collect variable and print that variable. Let me execute. Let's see whether it is sort or not. Yeah, see, 11 12 15 15 17. Now let me change the sequence here. Now execute. See, what is sequence here? First I added the 12. Okay, but it shifted to second index, like it is sorted in uh, like in ascending order, if you can see. And if you want to sort the data as or custom, or if you want to perform sorting operation like as per your requirement, so if you want to sort it in ascending descending, you can use a comparator. So like there is other sort method, that is the C, which contains the comparator. So this comparator will sort your. So this is also functional interface, guys, comparator, and we can use this comparator to sort your data or customize sorting. We can use this comparator to sort your bunch of object or group of object in a customized way. Okay, we can do that. So you can see how to do that. So this is the sort function, sorted function. Now, so for each, so to like to iterate the data. Okay, to iterate the data like one by one. For that we use the for each loop. Let me show you how we can do that. Stream, get the stream object, and let's give the for each loop and get the data like number, and just print it number. Okay, don't do anything. Remove this system.out.println. So I already added this in the for each loop. Now if you can see, so it works like a for loop. So first iteration it prints 12, 11, 12, 15, 15 and 17. So this is use of for loop. For loop is used to iterate your, for each loop is used to iterate your stream of object. Okay, then for each. Then there is other operator as well, minimum and maximum. To find the minimum and maximum from this list, we can use the min max. Then if you want to find the distinct, so distinct number, out of this, which one is the distinct? 11 is distinct number. Then if you want to skip some iteration, so I want to skip first two, then I can specify the skip, or I can use the skip operator to skip the data or skip the numbers from the string. So that is the all operation. So you can explore the other operators as well, guys. So you can do like, there are all a lot of things will be there. Let me show you, like number list dot get the string. Yeah, see, this is a map will be there. We discuss for each, collect, filter. Mainly used operation are these: map, for each, loop, filter, sorted, collect. Then sorted will be there by using comparator. Then find first, flat map. So what is use of flat map? Flat map is used to convert the list of list. Okay, suppose I have nested list. So in that case, we can convert that list of list into the single list. So for that we use the flat map here. Apart from that, we have minimum, maximum, match any. So out of objects, suppose I have group of objects, and from this object I want to provide the condition, particular condition which will match any, and that return that if that predicate will return the true, then any match will get return the, we will be get the true as a output. Then if you want to map all element to double, then you can use map. Then this is a pick method. So if you want to find out the each iteration, okay, so let me utilize this pick. So this is very easy one. Sorted, and here, okay, after the string, like before updating this number, I want to just print that number. Okay, number hyphen system dot out of number. So this will track the iteration of the string. Okay, this will track the iteration of the string. Let me print the collect. Now if you can see here, let me do something here. Correct. So now this is 1211. So before updating this element, this pick will be printed. Okay, and track the each and one iteration of the element. So see, before updating the element, so this is printed all elements, and after that we will get the updated list. Okay, correct. Now see here. Yeah, that's all, guys. That's all about the pick method. Let's talk about the other methods. Then there are other methods like reduce will be there. So I discussed the skip. Skip is used to skip the first or three, or how much element you want to skip from the stream. You can use the skip. Then reduce will be there. Reduce is used to calculate the sum of the integer, sum of the sum of the given list. Then if you want to get the minimum, maximum by using the reduce, you can use. Then if you want to map your list of object into int long, you can use distinct as well. I here explain you how to get the distinct number. Then find any, limit. So this is the limit we can use. Count will be there. So how many numbers or how many objects are there inside the stream, you can use the count as well. So these are the all operators you can use, guys, to perform your stream operations. Yeah, that's all guys. Thank you for watching this session guys.